Buffalo girls, won't you come out tonight? Come out tonight, come out tonight. Buffalo girls, won't you come out tonight and dance by the light of the moon? Yeah! Why are we talking about Buffalo girls?
We're not. We're talking about buffalo chicken dip.
Which is essentially the same.
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on this channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor. Click the subscribe button and also click the bell and the word all so you do not miss any videos that we upload here with ketogenic content. Now, the Buffalo girls, are they still dancing by the moonlight? No. Why? Because we cooked chicken. Buffalo chicken.
What the heck's a buffalo girl?
I don't know. It's something in Texas.
No, I don't know.
Well, they sing in Texas. The cowboys sing it in, you know.
What if it's Buffalo, New York?
That's true. And it's cold up there. Anyway, she digresses all the time. Buffalo chicken dip. We are in the middle. Actually, we're not in the middle. This is probably the last episode of our tailgating series. This is buffalo chicken dip, which you can find at many tailgating parties. That's why we decided to do that. And we also are still roll tiding it as well. Anyway, buffalo chicken dip, is it keto? Kinda not, depending on what you cook with it. Now, we've cooked it in the past, and we've used Moore's buffalo sauce, which we started digging into the ingredients there, and they got a little thing called sugar.
Carbs. Yep, sugar was like the second.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Which is a no-no in the keto world. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna use some Frank's hot sauce.
Frank seems to be very popular on the internet with people that love hot sauce.
I wanted to do sriracha, but Byron thinks that's too spicy, so.
Well, you started digging into that ingredient as well.
Yeah, I know.
And then you find a little bit of sugar in there too, you know what I'm talking about? Now, of course, we've turned this buffalo chicken dip with, you'll see the ingredients when we start making this thing, but we've used Frank's instead of the Moore's, so we've turned it keto-fied. And also, we don't use chips at the end. We use our go-to dipper, which is pork skins.
Or you can go to one of our videos and it shows how to make cheese chips, which are delicious.
Chips.
Which I don't know if I would use cheese chips with cheese.
Right, because it's got a lot of cheese in it.
But, you know, whatever.
And it's
going
to
be...
be...
crackers.
Yeah. What about
Have we done
flackers?
Crackers yet?
Did we do that in our snack video?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Well, we'll have
but
to
you've
do some
made
crackers.
flackers before.
Yep, and I've made crackers.
And that may be something you could put the buffalo chip on. I mean, not the buffalo chip.
Buffalo dip. Can we get some bacon?
Wait a minute. I was going to say, the reason we're ending up this last episode in tailgating, because we're moving into November, which is the season for Thanksgiving. And up on this channel, we've got to look forward to this. We've got some treats. Not treats. We also have some dishes and meals you can make that will go around your Thanksgiving table, and you don't have to worry about, oh, am I in ketosis? No.
Yeah, like last year at Thanksgiving, like everything I did was literally keto, but we didn't do videos on it because we didn't start our channel until January. So I want to be able to give you guys some content so that you can look at some videos and say, oh, well, I need to make that for Thanksgiving. So
right. Yeah. So just because Thanksgiving has a big smorgasbord of things that are non-keto, you don't have to worry. We got your back. But anyway, buffalo dip, tailgating.
Let's do it. And for today's recipe, we have 4 cups of cooked and shredded chicken, 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of homemade ranch dressing, 1 cup of Frank's hot sauce, and 2 packages of cream cheese.
Okay, the world famous Dice Man walk back on my Keto Friends channel. This is the Keto buffalo chicken dip that you just saw us make. Okay, we did stick it in the crock pot. For how long?
You can do it in a dish and stick it in the oven if you want. We just like crock pots every now and then.
It's a good crock pot food.
Yeah, and so we threw it in the crock pot on high for about 2 hours. And then the last 30 minutes, we didn't show this, but the last 30 minutes, we sprinkled the cheese on top.
Yeah, the mozzarella and the cheddar that you saw in the video. Now, of course, we're going to go for the pork skin. Now, this is a real reaction because I've never had Frank's. Okay, I've had the Moors.
And you know, Byron's kind of wimpy.
And you know, I'm wimped out.
When it comes to hot, spicy
I'm the first
stuff.
to admit it. The spicy stuff will get me going. Okay, here we go. Wait.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Bleak. You ready? Go.
That's not spicy at all.
Not at all.
But it's buffalo.
I mean, my mouth is hot, but but.
You spit on my finger.
Oh, let me get that.
No.
What? Hold on.
Oh my god.
What are you talking about? Wait. No, it takes a little bit to get in there, but I'm starting to feel a little kick now.
Dude, that's really good. That's a very buffalo sausage.
Yeah, this tastes exactly like we'd use with the Moors, but Frank's had no sugar in it. Thank you, Frank.
Dude, I'm gonna have another one of that. What's up with that, Joe?
Wow.
That's so good. Can I get on another one?
Oh, look at this. It's a double.
That's too big.
It's a double.
Look at me.
Wait a minute. Whoa. Well, look at this. Oh, I got a cheese right here. Help me out. Finger that. Okay, got it. Wait.
Dude!
What?
Oh my... That's bad. I'm embarrassed. I'm sorry. See?
I got Got it.
That's
Hold on.
delicious.
I don't care who you are, dude. That's buffalo chicken dip, dude.
And look, I'm gonna say it again.
Woo!
A lot of people, a lot of you guys might go, oh yeah, that we know that that's keto.
Yeah, buffalo
but
chicken dip, whatever.
you don't know what people don't know. So, and it might be something that you might have forgot about. So take the recipe and enjoy it. It's really good. Take that to a tailgate and it will be a winner, I promise.
Definitely. Well, I'm actually going to take that to a party we're going to.
Tomorrow?
Are we going to a party?
You can't take... They're making buffalo chicken dip. You can't.
Yeah, but I'm going to take this one and see and have a taste test. Hello.
That's rude.
You know what? Maybe I'll vlog it and show it on this channel.
Dude, you can't.
I'm telling you, you can't feel that, but my little sensitive mouth is on fire.
Well,
right now.
I just wish I had one day of what your mouth feels like when you eat stuff because it's so totally
It's not hot at all. The insides
spice.
of your mouth is not going.
No.
I mean, I need some milk right now.
No.
But it's delicious. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just delicious.
Yeah.
But boy, if I keep going, I'd get the sweats.
God, I wish I could.
You know what I'm talking about?
That. Yeah.
But it's just tasteful to you. Wow.
really good.
I wish I could do that for a day.
Yes, we need
and not
to
have
swap taste buds.
Hey, Freaky Friday. That's a good one.
I don't want to be you.
Anyway, what was I going to say? Buffalo chicken dip. This stuff is awesome. Keto fight with the pork skins, it's perfect. Or if you want to use some other crackers or flackers that you can make that you know that is keto, then use those as well. All right, guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Smash it. Also share it with all your friends on social media. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media as well. Don't forget, coming up soon in November, we're going to have Thanksgiving. What are we calling that? Thanksgiving series?
Episodes?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know what's going on this channel. But anyway, until next time, keep it with a buffalo girl.
That's so dumb.
No, but you can dance in the pale moonlight. She goes again.